Hey, Radar, do you know when my granny bird said is the best time to learn? All the time. Yes, she said we can learn so much while we're doing everyday things. Like today, while I was making bird seed cookies with my granny bird, she helped me learn how to read a recipe and how to measure and count. Oh, you want to learn how to count, Radar? Ha ha ha, okay. Well, let's see if we can think of an everyday reason to count. Oh, hey, do you want me to count how many birdseed cookies we have? Okay, I will. Let's see. There's 1, 2. 1 for me and 1 for you. Oh, you want me to eat your cookie? Ha ha ha, okay, if you insist. Boy, learning sure is fun. And delicious. Here, Radar, you can have a bite.